In this video, I'll talk about what are the requirements for you to come as a student here in Malta. If you want to get into the study in Malta, then these are the main requirement that you have to fulfill before you can come to Malta and study. First of all, if you want to study, then your English needs to be good. So for that English, you have to give an exam which is called IELTS or TOEFL, that you have to pass, and if you get above 6.0 mark, then you can, this is the first priority. So for IELTS, I will prepare in next video where I will talk about more about IELTS. So this is the first priority. In some private university or private college, they allow you without your IELTS also, if your last qualification or your last education was in English. But mine was English, but I had a long gap, so because of that I have chosen to complete my IELTS so that it will be easier for me. Second thing is that as a student, you will come here, you will be able to work 20 hours a week, but still you need money to stay here. For that you have to show 11,000 euro or above 11,000 euro in your bank account, that you have the money, liquid cash, which you can withdraw, you can pay your rent, you can pay your grocery and all these things. This is the second thing. Third thing is that you have to apply for your course in the university. From the university, they preferably, maybe they will apply for your visa, or they will give you, mainly they will give you a acceptance letter that they have accepted you as a student. So before that they will take your interview, are you eligible for this, you will send all the documents to them, they will see that you are eligible or not. And then after paying your course fee, if your course is for 3 years, you have to pay at least 1 year of course fee, or maybe some university allow you to pay half years of fee, and then they will give you the receipts, and then they will give you the acceptance letter. With that you will apply for your visa. Once you get the visa, you will have to book your ticket, you have to book your insurance, and then you can come here. So for gaps, as I had more than 9 years of gap, public universities may not allow you with that big gap, but private universities or private colleges do. So you can directly get into the public universities, sorry, private universities, if you have long gaps also. In some countries, in like other countries, they might not allow you with 8 9 years of gap, but here they will allow. If you are a good student, if you are capable of studying, then you are most welcome. For some students, there might be a visa interview also. For some people, for some students, they don't take the visa interview, but for some person they might take a visa interview as well. So in VFS you have to go. VFS is the company which provides the visa processing services. So there you have to go, and then you have to give an interview to the Maltese immigration authority, and then if they think that you are well and you are good to go, then they will give you a visa. And with that visa you can come here, you can study, and also you can work part time. 20 hours you can work, and then you can easily stay here. After you complete your graduation or whatever degree or whatever diploma you choose, you can wait for few time. You will get some time, you will get some grace period. Within that grace period, if you like to work here, you can apply for your work visa. If you have any employer who is allowing you to work here, if he can give you a work permit, then you can directly apply for a work visa, and then you can work. So these were some of the requirements which is needed for you to come here and study. And then maybe if you wanna leave, then you can work and leave. Okay, so in next video I will talk about IELTS and other necessary things which I have did and which you will also require. So do let me know in the comment section if you want to know anything about coming to Malta and anywhere in Europe. And one plus thing which I forgot to mention in last videos is that if you come to Malta or any other European countries, you get Schengen visa. So with that Schengen visa, if you get the TRC or the residency citizenship of any country, you get to visit all the Schengen countries. So with one visa, one citizenship only, you will be able to travel to any countries in Europe. So this is also a very good bonus point for those who want to travel, who wants to see other parts of in world also. So see you in the next video, and do like the video if you like, and do let me know if you want to know anything else. Thank you.